This is Griffin Barrett, and my project is on green city concepts. So, to start off, biodiversity encompasses everything on Earth from microbes to trees, whales, and the environments that those species inhabit. Biodiversity highlights diversity of species in a given area. And sustainability are ways to improve the health of the environment and society. Sustainability maintains natural resources to maintain ecological balance for future generations. The issue that I'm studying are greenhouse gases and its role in heating up the Earth, and especially cities. We know that greenhouse gases trap the sun's heat in the atmosphere, causing a warmer Earth. Cities have been struggling to react to the issue of climate change. Rising industrialization also decreases biodiversity by displacing species in natural land. The urban island effect makes cities hotter, and it is becoming worse. Excessive heat waves are affecting human health. Climate change has led to unexpected or extreme weathering events as well. This issue needs to be tackled to improve the livelihood of people in cities and the health of our environment. Cities lack sustainable infrastructure to tackle these issues. This is due to many complex factors such as financial limitations, political challenges, allocation of taxpayer money, lack of expertise in natural resource land management, and lack of awareness among citizens. And a part of the solution to this um, is how trees and plants can take up carbon as well. The Earth's temperature needs to be maintained from excess carbon in the atmosphere, and cities need to cool down. The industrialization of cities has led to deforestation, so we need to integrate excessive trees, plants, agriculture, and green spaces into cities. Sustainable development in cities would integrate growing trees, plants, and garden rooftops into the development of buildings. The garden rooftops would help cities be more self sufficient and sustainable with food production, while planting trees and plants into cities would increase biodiversity vegetation while uptaking carbon. Sustainable development also includes implementing clean energy sources into cities through solar panels, biogas energy, and wind energy. Low carbon and green environments would increase air quality, livelihood, and overall health for people living in green cities. According to the World Health Organization, sustainable development practices like cleaner energy sources and improved waste management can significantly reduce air and water pollution, leading to fewer respiratory and waterborne illnesses. And other studies are showing that green infrastructure, such as green roofs, green walls, permeable paving, urban gardens, and rain gardens, um, incorporate soil's natural elements into built environments. These features would help reduce stormwater runoff, improve air and water quality, reduce the urban heat island effect, and provide green spaces for recreation. And then for my research data, I chose a chart from NOAA that shows the global average temperature of the Earth starting in the 1850s. And then as you look at this chart, you can see that since the Industrial Revolution, since we have been emitting fossil fuels, the global average temperature of the Earth has gotten significantly warmer. And this data shows that since the Industrial Revolution, heat anomalies have become extremely intense and have just been growing. This is ecologically significant because these heat anomalies cause thermal damage to plants, cause droughts, and increase the risk of wildfires. And this heat can affect entire ecosystems. Due to the heat, the urban heat island effect, these heat anomalies are more intense in cities. This data tells us that more carbon needs to be taken from the atmosphere, and planting trees around the globe is especially helpful. But planting trees in gardens and integrating them into cities would manage the stress of heat and CO2, along with emitting clean energy. And then actions to be taken by federal or international level. Organizations and businesses can create sustainable offices, buildings, stores, and headquarters to integrate nature with them and clean energy. To maintain biodiversity, community gardens can be integrated within buildings or public recreational areas. This is one way society in urban areas can help this issue. For an individual level, ways that individuals can help this issue is supporting developers who use sustainable urban planning, voting for government officials like mayors, city council members who have control over community shared spaces and have sustainable solutions to improving community spaces. Another thing individuals could do is volunteer to help plant trees and other types of plants to increase vegetation in agriculture. These challenges regarding climate change and global warming seem overwhelming, but we as a society are understanding the challenges we face. And once we understand the root of the issue, we can tackle them.